x comma y comma z, right? If it's two variables, it's x comma y. What you're going to do is you're going to take that last variable, maybe, usually. In this case, z. And in your final answer, we can't say something like 832, because that's just one solution out of possibly many, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to say z is whatever you want it to be. But the real reason we call these guys dependent systems is because we can write our other x and y, our other variables, as dependents for z. So I can start finding multiple solutions. I don't have to just guess, is that point a solution, is that point a solution, and trial and error. I can actually start picking a z and then being able to plug that into something to find y, and then plugging that into something and finding x. Okay? So if you look at these two right here, this top line here would say something like x plus 3/4 of z equals 1/2, right? Do y'all agree? That's what that top line is trying to say. And I can take this top line and I can solve it for x by subtracting over the 3/4 of a z, right? So x equals x, but what else does x equal? X equals a negative 3/4 z plus a 1/2, right? And then what does y equal? Well, the second line says 1y plus 5z equals negative 2. And if I solve for that y, I subtract 5z over, y equals negative 5z minus 2. So that's my x, that's my y, and for z is e. I really don't care all that much about it. I'm just telling you how it's going to have to look in your homework, right? But what is useful about it, if you can get it from there to here, I cannot give you lots of solutions to that system by just picking different numbers for z. Like if z equals 10, then let's see, negative 52 is my y value. Oh shit, I should have picked 10. Dang it. Negative 3/4. That's 15 over 2. Negative 15 over 2 plus 1 is negative 14 over 2. Ooh, that did work out nicely. Negative 7. So there's one solution. Those three planes would intersect there. And I should...
But then the computer's going to want the negative 3/4 z plus 1/2?
Yeah. Yeah, that would be the answer. What you'll do is you'll have three choices that you pick. You say either the unique solution is this, and you enter that number, or you say there's infinitely many solutions, this is a dependent system, and you enter this, or there's a third option that says this is an inconsistent system, no solution. I'm curious, how many do you want to work out? Like, how many more do you need to do? Because it's really kind of all the same.